everyone, welcome back to a new Outfits of the Week. It's our first Outfits of the Week in my new apartment, which is really exciting. It's already coming together pretty nicely, I would say. There's still a lot to do, but one step at a time. I tried to really chill a little bit because I can get very much ahead of myself. But as you can see, we put up these curtains to separate the bedroom and the office, and I love how they look. Today is Tuesday, July 7th. I went to a Pilates class this morning, then I had to answer some emails and do my finances spreadsheet, which isn't very exciting or fun, but a lot of my finances are shared with my partner, so we split them by putting it in an app. So anyway, I had to go through all that, and I just now filmed a little get dressed with me on TikTok. It's my first one since moving out. So I'm excited, and it looks so good with the setup with the curtains in the back. They are kind of wonky, the curtains aren't the same length, so I need to fix that. But today I am gonna go thrifting. I'm in the process of filming a Come Thrift With Me, which should be out already, so feel free to watch that if you haven't already. But I'm also thinking of going over to my favorite jewelry store because I want to buy a cross necklace. I've been meaning to go there for months, but I used to live a lot further from it than I do now, so I'm gonna stop by, and then afterwards I'm gonna go grab some drinks with some friends, and I think that'll be it for tonight. I wanted to wear something comfortable to go thrifting in, but also to look cute later on, so let me show you what I've put together. The way that I've propped up my camera is a bit sketchy. I've put it on top of our portable air conditioning unit. Hopefully you guys can see well. I'm gonna close this because there's a mess back there that you don't need to see. But here's what I'm wearing today. Also, guys, while I was editing my moving vlog, I realized just how squeaky my floors are, and I'm really sorry about that. Unfortunately, can't do much about it. It's just an old building. I'm gonna try to talk when I'm not moving on the floor. Here's my outfit. I really like it. I think it's really cute. Pretty warm outside. This little skirt will keep me nice and cool. It's thrifted Comptoir de Cotonnier. It's this kind of taupe gray color, very flowy, very light and airy. And I love all the little button details that it has. And then for top, I'm wearing a little black lace bralette from La Senza, I believe. And this thrifted vintage tank, which is really long and can be worn as a dress, but I've just kind of tucked it under and ruched it up a little bit so it kind of sits a little bit higher. Then I'm wearing this bangle I always wear. It's a dark wood bangle that belonged to my mom, and then an en route jewelry bangle, a Brandy Melville necklace, some big earrings from my favorite jewelry store, and this little secondhand hair on calf leather tote bag. And that's my outfit for today. I will talk to you guys in a little bit. Hi everyone, it's Saturday today, July 11th. We're just about to leave the house because we're going to one of Renault's friends' parents' house, I guess, about an hour away from Montreal, to celebrate his duathlon. But the theme was European summer. I don't really know if I'm giving European summer, but I'll show you guys what I decided to wear today. It's really beautiful outside also, so I'm excited to spend some time out of the city. But we're gonna stay the night at Renault's parents' house, and yeah. So let me show you guys what I'm wearing. Okay, so this is our European summer outfit. I'm just wearing this white little slip skirt that I thrifted at a consignment store about a year ago. Then I'm wearing this gray tank that I thrifted a very long time ago. My Prada ballet flats. I stacked some jewelry. I'm also wearing a few rings. I just thrifted this little bandana that you maybe saw in my Come Thrift With Me. It's just like a brown sheer bandana. I'm just wearing it on my head. And then for bag, my East Studios bag as usual. But that's my outfit for today. And now we're gonna head out, take the metro over to Renault's friend's house because we are grabbing a ride from them. So let's head on out. I wasn't actually gonna film my outfit today or anything because I don't know. I guess I forgot that I was even filming this video. But today's Friday, July 17th. It's the day before my birthday. But today the plan was just to go curating, thrifting all day for Depop, and I'm kind of getting a late start to the day because I had a very slow morning. And I don't know why, but these TikTok videos I film, just like my little fit checks, always take me so long just because like I'm so picky about how they look and how they feel. It's funny that I've been doing social media for so long and I feel so unnatural. Well, I mean, I haven't been doing it for that long, but like well over a year, and I still feel very unnatural sometimes when I post certain things. And then I always judge my outfit, like it's not really that cute, like why am I really sharing it with the internet? Like there's not much there. I don't know. It's obviously all just an imposter syndrome. I'm rambling now, but I wanted to show you guys my outfit for today. It's pretty comfortable. I was planning to wear these flip-flops, but I know that I might get pretty sick and tired of them. So I think I might change into my camper flats, but I'm just going to show you the outfit that I put together initially and then maybe change into my flats. It's a beautiful day today. It's pretty cool, hence why I'm wearing jeans, because I feel like I can actually wear jeans today. There's a very nice like cool breeze, which is a nice change compared to the heat that we've had for the past few weeks. Please ignore what's going on back here. We are repleating the curtains to make the pleats a bit more dramatic so that it looks a little bit better. This is my outfit. I don't know if you can really see my shoes right now. Let me change the angle a little bit. I'm wearing my G-Star jeans that I got in Sydney. If you guys saw my little Come Thrift With Me in Sydney. Got them from a consignment store. I forget the name of it. They had some really good pieces there. Then I'm wearing my Havaianas. Been really loving the look of jeans with flip-flops, especially for the summertime. But it's been just too hot to wear jeans, like I was explaining. But today was the perfect day to do so. Then I'm wearing this thrifted tank top that I have worn as a dress multiple times, but I just tied it on the side here to make it more like a cropped tank top, wearing just a black bralette underneath and my Michael Kors olive bag. And of course, I'm just gonna wear my Fendi sunglasses. I've been trying to find some new sunglasses because these are the only pair I own and they're cute, but I really want like a black pair because these are brown. I feel like with this outfit, a black pair would have looked a lot cuter. But anyway, that's my outfit for today. Hi everyone, it's July 18th, Saturday. It's my birthday. I'm turning 26, kind of crazy. We had a really chill morning. My boyfriend made me breakfast. I didn't take a great photo of it, but I took a photo just to send my family, but I'll still show you guys what it looked like. We got to watch whatever I wanted while we ate breakfast, which of course was YouTube. And then I took a shower, I got changed, did a little bit of work for Depop. Now we're ready to go. We're gonna go consignment store shopping, of course. Well, I don't know how much shopping I'll do because I really shouldn't be spending much money, but we're gonna grab some coffee, just walk around. It's a cool, gloomy day, which isn't my favorite. I wish it was sunny, but at least it's pretty cool out. Like the weather should be very comfortable. I'll show you guys what I'm wearing. Sorry, the lighting's not great. It is very, very gloomy outside. But here is what I'm wearing. I'm wearing my Tommy Hilfiger skirt that I just thrifted in my last video, or a couple videos ago. Then I'm wearing this like off-the-shoulder, slouchy black top from Urban Outfitters, my camper boots, and this little white faux leather purse that I just thrifted yesterday. I found so many good pieces yesterday. It's insane. Of course, I hit the jackpot when I'm not filming a come thrift with me. Like that always happens to me. I just really love the shape of it and the color. I only have one light colored bag that I just got recently, and it's massive. It's like more like a travel sized bag. So I wanted something a little bit smaller, and this was just perfect. And this is my new bracelet that I've been wanting for ages. It's been saved on my Poshmark likes, and my boyfriend bought it for me for my birthday. And you guys know I love bangles, I love silver jewelry. And then I'm wearing these En Route Jewelry hoops. They just sent me some more pieces. I really like their jewelry. It's really affordable, and I find that for the price, it's pretty good quality. Then I'm wearing just like a cross necklace with a En Route Jewelry chain. Okay, let's head on out. I just filmed this entire little fit check and realized my mic wasn't working, so I'm doing it again. But today is Friday, July 24th. My mom is here visiting us, and we're about to head out of the house to eat some sandwiches and have a few drinks at the park before we go catch a movie with our friends. We're gonna go watch The Odyssey in an IMAX theater, so I'm really excited about that. It's a beautiful day outside too, so should be really nice to sit in the park. But here is what I'm wearing. It's very simple but very cute outfit. I really like it. I'm wearing my Diesel boots. These I got off of Vinted a very long time ago. This really cute mini denim skirt with these adorable little silver buttons on the side. I forget the brand, but I will include it on the screen. I got this skirt from Boutique Take 3 here in Montreal. I love that consignment store. Their selection is super, super good. The blouse is from Cotton, and then my jewelry is En Route Jewelry. And this bag I really love. I love the strap especially, but it's thrifted originally from Vince Camuto. That's my outfit. Let's go sit in the park. Hi, it's the next day. Today is Saturday, July 25th, right? Yeah. It's about noon, and we're heading out of the house to go to brunch. We're trying out a new brunch place. I'm excited. I love brunch. It's probably one of my favorite, types of food to get, I guess. Then afterwards, we're probably just gonna walk around a little bit. Today's my mom's last day in Montreal, so we're not gonna do anything too crazy since she probably wants to relax a little bit because we were out pretty late yesterday. We went to bed at like 3. I think she'll wanna get a little bit of rest before she has to go to the airport. It's pretty warm out, so I wanted to wear just something very airy, but also very simple, just because we're not doing anything special. This is the outfit for today. All black, very simple. Honestly, when I'm struggling to dress myself, I'll just wear a monochromatic outfit. And since a lot of my clothing is black, black tends to be the color that I pick. But this is a Kuku Intimates mini dress that my friend Sasha gifted me for my birthday a few years ago, I think. These are my diesel boots, the same ones I wore yesterday. I'm wearing this bangle that was my mom's. It's like a solid wood bangle, en route jewelry bangle, thrifted beaded bangle with like a wooden clasp. It's really pretty, actually. My purse is Vince Camuto, but thrifted, same one I wore yesterday. Yeah, that's the outfit. I'm also gonna wear my Fendi sunglasses. That's my very simple monochromatic all black outfit. Okay, let's go to brunch. I am meeting up with an online friend for the first time today. We're gonna go to a cafe, Osmo X Marusen. I really like that cafe. They have really good matcha. But yeah, I'm heading out of the house now because I have to meet up with her at 11 and it's like 10:40, so I really need to hurry. I'm actually wearing color today, which is so funny because I feel like I haven't been wearing color at all, but I just recently thrifted, I guess, bought this top from Seconde. It's a consignment store here in Montreal. I really love this kind of like burnt red, almost kind of slightly orangey color. And I paired it with my brown Tommy Hilfiger skirt. I feel like the colors go really well together. I have my camper black boots on and a thrifted cream colored purse. And I added this kind of cream colored bangle, some silver en route bangles, my en route hoops. So yeah, let's head out. I'm kind of nervous, but I'm sure it'll be really fun. I'm back home now. I didn't really film while I was with my friend just because we were talking and it was pretty busy in the cafe, which makes sense because it's a Sunday morning, but it was really, really nice. We hung out for about an hour and a bit. No, nearly 2 hours, I guess. Yeah, like nearly 2 hours. We just chatted and it was so nice. She's so sweet. Yeah, it just made me realize that I should really try and make more friends. I do feel like once you're comfortable with the friends that you have, it's easy to just not put yourself out there and meet new people, but I'm glad I did because it was a really nice time and she's really sweet. And since she lives near where I live, we are able to hang out. So that's great, but I'm just gonna do some work for the rest of the day. I have to post a bunch of Depop stuff that I still haven't posted since my mom was here and I was like not doing any work at all while she was here. I'm gonna do that. I have to respond to some emails and post some videos. So I think I'll leave this little outfits of the week vlog here and I will see you guys next week. Bye.